Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. This is our report according to the impact of climate change in urban areas. Introduction to the climate change. Rising global temperature. For example, the long term of the craze in the Earth average surface temperature driven primarily by the human activities like burning fossils, fuels, which release heat-trapping greenhouse gases. Second is increase the frequency of extreme weather events. For example, frequent the intense heat waves, heavier rainfall, flooding, stronger hurricanes, and more several droughts. The third one is the relevance to the urban environmental. For example, urban heat islands affect where cities and warmer than surroundings areas and habitat at fragmentation caused by the infrastructure like roads that isolate wildlife population. Urban areas, why they're vulnerable. First, high population density. Geographic are where a large number of people live within the relatively small places, resulting in a significant population concentration. Next is the heat absorbing infrastructure, for example, for the urban heat islands effect, such as road, buildings, and other materials causing cities to be warmer than surrounding rural areas. The third one is dependency on complex infrastructure, transport, water, and energy. For example, it is also creating major vulnerability due to the high levels of the interdependency and complexity with significant socio-economic impact. The fourth one is the socio-economic disparities and intensity impacts. For example, such as for the health crisis, economic downturns, and environmental hazard. This is an equal access resources, opportunities, and political influence. Major impact of climate change in cities. First, increased heat waves, health risk. For example, due to the climate change from buildings foils, increase of the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide from burning fossils, fuels which warm at the atmosphere. Second, flooding from the sea level rise and intense rainfall. This is for the phenomenon known as the compound of flooding, which impact coastal areas and river system. The third one is infrastructure damage, roads, buildings, and utilities. This is the, for example, you should contact the relevant local or state government authorities responsible for the maintenance and repair for urgent utility issues, contact for the specific utility company and charity. The third one is the fourth one rather is the drain on the water and energy resources. For example, it causes by the factors like climate change, population growth, and industrial demand. The real example for that is the climate change.
Heat, urban heat island effects. So urban heat island effects happen when cities become much warmer than nearby rural areas, much due to human activities and infrastructure. Definition on causes. Huge eye occur when concrete buildings and roads absorb and retain heat. For example, cities like Manila or other experience hotter than temperature than nearby provinces. Higher temperature in cities versus rural areas. Urban areas can be 2 or negative 5 degrees Celsius, positive or yeah, much higher. Example is Metro Manila records higher nighttime temperatures than Bulacan. So, health implications. So, heat strokes, respiratory issues. Prolonged heat increase illness risk. Example, more hospital cases of dehydration and heat exhaustion during summer in urban areas. Flooding and sea level rise. So Rising sea levels and intense rains threaten coastal cities, damaging homes and economies. Coastal cities at greatest risk. Low-lying areas face flooding like past typhoon it called Tino. So during high tides or typhoons, displacement and damage to housing overwhelm drainage system. Floodwaters destroy property. Example, Typhoon Tino in 2025. This is the past typhoon that comes into Philippines and it displaced thousands of people. So, economic impact, insurance, rebuilding business, lost flooding cost billions in repairs. Business closed temporarily due to flood damage and affecting income. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. So, these are actions to reduce risk and adapt to climate change in cities. Green infrastructure parks, green roofs absorb heat and rainwater naturally. Example, Singapore's or to us, gardens by the bay calls the city and reduce flooding. Climate resilient building and infrastructure designed to resist floods and heat. Example, elevated homes and flood-proof buildings in Marikina. It can cause high environmental or eco-friendly. Urban planning and zoning reform avoid building in flood-prone zones. Example, restricting housing near rivers in Davao City. Early warning system and emergency response. Prepare citizens for disaster. Examples, Pag-asa, early warning alerts during typhoons save lives. So be prepared for that kind of or any kind of calamity that we are facing now. So conclusion, explanation. So cities must are now to reduce climate change effects and build sustainable futures. Climate change is already affecting cities. More heat waves, floods, and storms occur. Example, Manila faces stronger typhoons and hotter dry seasons. Immediate action needed at local, national, and global levels. Governments and citizens must cooperate. Example, planting drives and renewable energy projects. Importance of sustainable urban development, build cities that protect people and nature. For example, using solar panels, better waste management, and public transport. We have quote this. We have quote the best way to predict the future is to create by Peter Drucker.